Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will learn about two important JavaScript methods for array, map and filter. These methods help us work with arrays in a simple way. Let's start it. First we speak about map. Map method creates a new array. It runs a function on every element in the original array and puts the result in a new array. Let's create an example. Create new array. It will be an array with numbers. We can name number and create our array. Add some number and create new variable. We can name this variable double numbers and using our map for our number array. We need to create function and argument our function will be these numbers. We can add any name, but for more understanding I'll be using num. Okay, and now we can do with our num everything. Let's double our num. And also let's print result to console using method console log. And let's open the window. Like you see, this is our new array and we double all our elements. Okay, let's try something else. Comment all this code and create new array. We can create array with users. Create users and create some users. Create properties. Will be have name and age. Add some names and add age. Copy this object sometimes. Okay, and add some names and change age. And also change age and okay, and now image that you need to get all name in your array. Create new constant and it will be names. And now we can again using our map, using our array and called method map. Okay, and now we can work with every users. We can name our argument user and create func. And like you remember, we need to get all names. We can using user and property name. Okay, and let's print our result. Okay, like you see, we get all names. It was more easy than if we used for or while. And also map is very popular in React, because React using immutable approach and map always create new array. Okay, next we will talk about filter. Okay, next method is filter. Filter let create a new array, and we can create conditions, and we can filter our data using this condition. I think it sounds very strange and difficult, but this method is very simple, and let's create example. We can copy this user and delete our comments, and now let's create a new constant. We can create user about 20. Okay, and now we need to using our filter, and we need to create a function, callback function, like we did in map. Okay, let's create our callback function. We can copy this code and paste here, and next we can create condition. Let's print, let's return user only who age more than 20. Create our condition and using property. Okay, and also let's print in console our result using our variable, and let's look at the window. Like you see, all people have more than 20 years. Okay, but if I change age less than 20, we have only 2 users. Like you see, it's very useful method, because we often need to filter our elements about some conditions, and especially when we get lots of elements from server and we need to filter these elements using some condition. Okay, thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.